In the world of design, emphasis is key. It's about making a statement, directing the viewer's eye, and creating a focal point that captures the imagination. Imagine a poster with bold, vibrant text that immediately draws you in, coupled with captivating imagery. It's emphasis at its finest. To apply this principle, use contrast in size, color, or shape to make your focal point stand out. Think of it as a spotlight on the most important element, skillfully guiding your audience's attention to where you want it to be. Remember, too much emphasis can overwhelm, drowning out the subtle nuances of your design. Striking that delicate balance is crucial. Use emphasis wisely and your designs will shine. Alignment and balance serve as the bedrock of good design, akin to a strong foundation in an architectural marvel. Alignment acts as an invisible grid, maintaining precision, while balance is the symphony that renders your design harmonious. Balance ensures that no facet of your design tips the scale too heavily or floats too lightly. It's the art of distributing elements evenly, painting a picture of visual symmetry. To apply this principle, use or imagine a grid to align elements, be it text, images, or icons. Your elements should be in harmonious conversation and exude order and structure. As you master alignment and balance, your designs will flourish, embodying elegance and cohesiveness. Contrast is the spice of design, adding that extra oomph. It's the art of emphasizing distinctions to make your visuals truly stand out. Imagine a pitch black background with crisp white text. It's undeniably attention-grabbing. To put this principle into practice, experiment with contrasting elements like color, size, or typography. The more pronounced the contrast, the more it seizes the viewer's attention. However, a word of caution is in order. Excessive contrast can be like a blaring trumpet in an orchestra. Striking a balance that complements your message and style is crucial. Remember, contrast should guide the viewer's eye, not overwhelm it. With the wise use of contrast, your designs will effortlessly captivate your audience. Repetition is the rhythm that gives design its beat, like a familiar tune that resonates. It's about weaving recurring elements into the fabric of your work, fostering unity. To employ this principle effectively, embrace the power of repetition. Use colors, fonts, or shapes that thread throughout your design like a melodic motif in a song. This creates a visual pattern that gently navigates your audience. But remember, repetition should never be robotic. Use it thoughtfully as a strategic tool to amplify your message or brand. With repetition as your symphony, your designs can harmonize beautifully, singing a compelling melody of identity and cohesiveness. Proportion is the delicate dance of equilibrium. The orchestration of size and scale relationships. Picture a petite tree alongside a towering skyscraper. It's a symphony of proportion. To wield this principle with finesse, every element's size in your design must possess intentionality. Strive for a coexistence where no element dominates. Use proportion to create hierarchy and emphasis on what matters most. Keep in mind, proportions are akin to the nuances in language. A petite, graceful font may whisper elegance, while a bold, expansive one can roar with strength. With the mastery of proportion, your designs will craft visual dialogues with your audience that speaks volumes. Movement in design adds life and energy. It guides the viewer's eye and tells a story. Imagine an arrow pointing forwards. It suggests progress and direction. To harness this principle effectively, employ visual cues such as arrows, lines, or subtle animations, crafting a sense of flow. Your designs should unfurl organically, offering a seamless journey for the viewer. But don't overdo it. Excessive movement can become a distraction and detract from the guidance you're trying to create. Balance is key. With careful implementation of movement, your designs become an entrancing tale and offer a guided path to your message. White space, also known as negative space, is the design's respite. It's the empty space around and between elements. Think of it as the pause between musical notes. It's essential. To wield this principle adeptly, grant your design the freedom to breathe. Avoid overcrowding with too many elements. White space provides clarity and helps your audience focus on what matters. Embrace the beauty of simplicity. Less can indeed be more. And white space lends an air of refinement to your design. With white space, your designs will be clean, inviting, and easy to understand.